For thousands of years, people have been asking the same question: how did people for 1,000 years ago lift such massive stones, and that too without any crane? It's not just about lifting. Some stones were brought from 180 miles away. That means transporting stones as heavy as a double-decker bus across hundreds of miles. So, what's the real story? Let's go back to 2500 BC, a time when there were no iron tools, no engineering, and no trace of calculators, and yet those people managed to transfer such heavy stones over 180 miles. There are many theories behind this. The first is called the rolling theory. According to this, people placed the stones on wooden rollers and pulled them. But when researchers checked the area, they found that the path included wetland and rivers, where rolling stones seemed practically impossible. Then came the second theory. In 2016, an experiment in the Netherlands revealed that pouring water on sand drastically reduces friction by almost 50%. This meant fewer people were needed to pull heavy loads. So, is it possible that the ancient people already knew this trick we only discovered in 2016? Another strange theory claims that Stonehenge was built using sound. Yes, sound waves. This theory is called acoustic levitation, in which sound frequencies reduce gravity and help lift stones. But this theory was later proven wrong too. So, what's the actual theory? According to today's archaeologists, people used wooden ramps, ropes, and pulley systems. New experiments suggest that a team of 100 men could erect one massive stone in just 10 days using only wood, rope, and brains. But recent research, on the other hand, also claims that Stonehenge wasn't just for rituals. There is a hidden road perfectly aligned with the solstice sun, the sun that appears on the longest day of summer and the shortest day of winter. This means that every stone had a special purpose, its angle and direction were all arranged with a specific intent. So, it wouldn't be wrong to say that lifting the stones of Stonehenge is only half the mystery. The other half lies in their positions. A kind of science was used that we are still trying to understand today.